Yo, what's up guys, it's Blaze Quartz, otherwise known as Cortex here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get custom thumbnails like these ones. As you can see, I've got all sorts of custom thumbnails all over my videos. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do that. That's really highly requested by most of you guys. Alright, well, what you want to go ahead and do first is you want to go click on your profile picture. It doesn't matter if you're on PC or mobile, so let's just say you're on home screen right here. What you want to do is you want to press on this little icon right there at the top of the screen, next to the notification symbol, and then it'll come up with this. Now, right here it says Create a Studio. You want to just click that. This is basically where you manage all your videos. You can delete stuff from here. Now, obviously you guys won't have custom thumbnails enabled yet, so right here it says channel. You want to just click the little upside down triangle, and then you got to go down here, and if you go across it will say custom thumbnails. Now it has a lot of options here. This is where you can enable lots of features about YouTube and related to your channel. You want to just go ahead and click enable. Now as you can see it says enable. You want to just go ahead and click that button, but on custom thumbnails, which means you can put on custom thumbnails on your videos. Then once you've done that, let's say if you made a thumbnail, you want to click Video Manager. This is where all your skins are located. All your videos are located at. Now, if I want to get a thumbnail on this video right here, you want to click. So it will come up with all these videos. You got to click the arrow next to edit on the right video you want. It will say a bunch of options. You want to click Info and Settings. Now, what will happen is this will bring you to a bunch of options, which will say, like, you can change the description, title, you want to click custom thumbnail, which will be right here. You want to click, like, files, whatever, you just upload your thumbnail. Say if I want to upload this one, and then you want to go ahead and click Save Changes. Now, I don't want to upload this thumbnail because it isn't the right thumbnail for this video, but if you go ahead and click Save Changes and you wait a couple of seconds, the custom thumbnail will be absolutely enabled, and you'll be able, and if you do that every single time you make a custom thumbnail on a video, guys, you'll have a great channel. Like, it'll be all these custom thumbnails on your channel, and yeah, it's basically as simple as that, guys. So if you did enjoy, guys, make sure to go ahead and leave a like and subscribe by showing the support. That will be highly appreciated, guys. And if you like and subscribe, turn the notification bell on, I'll enter you guys in a 15,000 V-Bucks giveaway that's going to happen at the end of this week. Happens every single week, guys, so make sure to not miss out for that one. Anyway, guys, hopefully this did help you, and yeah, see you.